How to remove what's important in others from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click this click on your profile and then click these 3 points. Now click edit profile and scroll down until you find here beliefs and scroll down, and here you will find important in others. Click on it and click non-selected and then save it, and that's it. I hope that can help you because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.